Sana all talaga, no? Ayun na. Hi po sa mga nanonood. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. At tayo ay start ng ating live house. Ayan, wala pa tao. Kanta tayo ng mga... Sa'yo, ang puti-puti ko. Mapapaulan.
Pag ako pinili mo, matutupad pangarap mo, sinta. Pag ako pinili mo,
Okay.
I don't just recommend Head and Shoulders because
Can you hear
it's
something from
beautiful,
Connie
just
Francis, Pretty Little Baby?
because when nice and liquidity, dandruff became harder.
Here we
Head
go.
and Shoulders lang nagpa-dandruff free sa kanya.
Hi,
Kaya I don't just
Rafael.
recommend it, I choose it.
Pangarap mo, Sinta. Hindi. Sa'yo mo. Here we go. Baby, yeah, yeah, pretty little baby, yeah, yeah, pretty little baby. You say that maybe you've been thinking of me and try to love me, pretty little baby. I'm so in love with you. You can nest the flowers and sit for hours, telling all the bluebirds. Woo! Thank you, Miss Honeymoon. Pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you. Thank you, Miss Honey. Zian. Now it's just a tower borders your puppy love is how it's say. Don't you know it's much fun to love while the heart is young and gay? Meet me at the car hop, oh the passion. Meet me in the moonlight, oh in the daylight. Pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you. Thank you, Miss Hannibal, Jessica. Thank you for the follow, Jessica. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, guys. Just keep on sharing the live. Hi, Russell. Uy! Thank you, Miss Honey. Now it's just the time of borders your puppy lovers have it say. Don't you know it's much fun to love while the heart is young and gay? Beat me at the pop shop, oh in the passion. Beat me in the moonlight, oh in the daylight. Pretty little Beshi, I'm so in love with you. Pretty little Beshi, yeah, yeah. Pretty little Beshi. Uy! Grabe naman talaga yung Miss Honey na yan. Thank you, Miss Honey Moon. Uy, maganda yan, Miss Honey, pag, ano yun, ang tawag, parang kinalagaan. Ang ganda. Mukha, alam mo yung yate, mas maganda pa sa yate. Ganyan na pinagsaksakan ni Mamang Kira yung ano, yung pinakatodo na ang ganda. Pangmayaman ng itsura. No, ang ganda. Pero ang ganda ng mga gifts ngayon, yung 100, yung 1,000 na. Let's go! And here's something from ABBA. Pang 1,000 totoo, ang ganda. Let's go! I've been cheated by you since you don't know way. So I made up my mind, it must come to an end. Oh, look at me now, really haven't learned how to know how. I decided to lose control. There's a power within my soul. Just one look and I can hear about me. One more look and I forget everything. Whoa, Mamma Mia, here we go again. Mama, how can I resist you? Mamma Mia, does it show again, mama? Just how much I miss you. Yes, I've been broken hearted. Blue since the day we parted. Mama, didn't ever let you go, Mama Mia. Now I really know, Mama, I could never let you go. Thank you, Santa Claus. I've been angry and sad about the things you do. I can't count all the times that I've told you the truth. And when you go, when you slam the door, I think you know that I'm way too long. You know that I'm not that strong. Just one look and I can hear about me. One more look and I forget everything. Oh, Mamma Mia, here we go again, Mama. How can I resist you, Mamma Mia? Does it show again, Mama? Just how much I miss you. Yes, I've been broken hearted since the day we parted. Baba, didn't ever let you go. Sir Pidotsky, guys, please don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel of Sir Pidotsky and Miss AP Music, one word. Let's go. Sayang kinanta ko yung Pretty Little Baby. AP Music yan, no? Baka AP Music yan. Mama, how can I resist you, Mamma Mia? Does it show again, Mama? Just how much I miss you. Yes, I've been broken hearted since the day we parted. Mama, didn't ever let you go, Mamma Mia. Now I really know, Mama, I could never let you go. At syempre, kantahin natin yung ni-request natin kay Sir Pidotsky na Kasama Kang Tumanda. Ito sa mga favorite song ko eh. Let's go. Kasama Kang Tumanda at saka yung... Asa na yun? Eto. Let's go.
Sapat ba ang nutrition niya?
Guys, sa mga gustong mag-request kay Sir Pidotsky, subscribe lang kayo sa YouTube channel niya at saka ang kanyang YouTube channel ay AP Music, one word. Ayan. Natin, i-drop natin yung kanyang YouTube channel. Ito ang kanyang YouTube channel. AP Music. Now, let's go. And here's something from Sir Pidotsky. Let's go. Itong awiting ito, ayon, ay alay sa'yo. Sintonado man ako sa mga pangako sa'yo. Ang gusto ko lamang kasama kang tumanda. Let's go! I wanna make you smile whenever you sit. Carry you around when you try to spend. All I wanna do is growing old with you. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe. I'll get you medicine when your tummy aches. Will you parry the burning spray? Oh, it could be so nice, it's growing old with you. I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my call when you are cold. Lead you, feed you, even let you hold the remote control. Patatawanin kita pag hindi ka masaya. Bubuhatin kita pag nirayo magkanda. O kay sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Sana all. Ibibili ng balon pag mahina ang tuhod, ikukuha ng gamot pag sumigat ang lukmot. Ang sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Sasamahan kahit kailanman, kabrang humigit kumulang, di mabilang 30 araw sa isang buwan. Umabot man tayo ng 3,001. Paglalaba pa kita, pagtapos mamalansya, kahit abut-abutin man ako ng pasma. Okay, sarap isipin, thank you Miss Honey, kasama kang tumanda. Labs na labs pa rin kita, kahit bungi-bungi ka na. Para sa'kin ikaw ang pinakamaganda. Okay, sarap isipin, kasama kang tumanda. Sasamahan kahit kailanman, humigit kumulang, di mabilang 30 araw sa isang buwan. Humabat man tayo ng 3,001. In our kitchen sink, put you to the bed when you had too much to drink. Oh, it could be so nice. It's going on with you. At nangangako sa'yo, pag sinagot mong oo, binibirot siya, iaalay sa'yo buong puso ko. Sumang-ayon ka lamang, kasama ka tumanda. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel of Sir Pidotsky. Ayan, napakagaganda. Yan po ang kanyang gawa. Ayan, pwede po kayong mga mag-request if ever na may mga gusto kayong YouTube channel na madudumi sa iba, pero dito magiging malinis. So, let's go. At ayun na nga, ito ulit ang Ale. At syempre, shoutout sa mga nanonood po ng ating House of the Slay. Once again, I am Bino from Bino Solid Friends, Art and Soul Talent Agency. And thank you, Miss Honeymoon, Sir Pidotsky, syempre kay Demon's High, kay MJCD, Aquarius, syempre kay Glicks, ayan kay Good Morning. At sa mga nandito po, thank you so much for staying. Woo! Let's go! And if you know this song, guys, just sing with me. Here we go. Nung isang araw, nagmamaneo sa kumbahan, aking nakita, babaeng saksakan ng ganda. Sinundan ko ang kotseng sinasag kanya, hindi ko nakitang may dumarating pala. Hindi ko naiwasan, kami biglang nagkabanggaan. Nang magkamalay ay nasa ospital ako. Navigator, hinasikaso ng doktor na napili ng nanay ko. Pare ko'y bigla-bigla na lang ang nurse andyan na. Ganda pala tunog sa live stream. Totoo, ang ganda, Sir Pidotsky, promise. At saka, Sir Pidotsky, hindi naman sa pamamayabang. Tignan mo kung paano nagko-concert araw-araw. Oh. Brought to you by JBL. Sa langit na ba ako? Ayan, kaya hindi lang kayo natutuwa, kundi pati kapitbahay. Let's go! Okay lang sa akin kung rebon na, diba? Party na to! Kaya ale, nasa langit na ba ako? Ayun, thank you so much guys for staying, and I still have 40 more minutes to go. Ayun, maraming salamat guys. At syempre maraming salamat kay Sir Pidotsky dahil sa mga requested song natin, nagagawa talaga natin mabuti yung mga kanta natin. Kaya thank you Sir Pidotsky. Ayun. Ano pa nga tayo dito? Hanap tayo ng mga magagandang kanta. Wait lang ha. Ay, gusto ko din yung isa, yung... Anong tawag dito? Yung ano, yung... The Wedding Song. Ito, The Wedding Song. Natatandaan ko to. Ito yung ano eh. Ito ni-request ko kay Sir Pidotsky, guys, dahil kasal ng ating anak ni ano. Ayan, di ka na nag-request doon. Kaya nga po eh. Ayan, at eto naman ang gawa pa rin ni Sir Pidotsky. Ayan, AP Music, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel. Ayan, eto ang kantang Wedding Song by Davey Langit. Sumalangit nawa ang kanyang kaluluwa. Ayan, let's go. Ito ang araw na inantay mo ng kay tagal. Buhat nung ikaw ay natutong magmahal. Nasaktan at nabigo, lumuha at natuto na ang pag-ibig nga pala'y hindi isang laro. Sa milyon-milyon na tao dito sa mundo ay nag-iisang nakaraan para sa'yo. Eto, Sir Pidotsky. Siya rin ang dahilan, batang dati mong sininta ay hindi pinagkaloob sa'yo ng tadhana. Saksi ngayon nating mga pamilya at kaibigan sa harap ng ating Diyos na makapangyarihan. Dahan-dahan kang naglalakad patungo sa sakit, sa saliw nitong tugtugin. Mantika. Tan-tananan, tanananan, ikaw nga ang babaeng aking papakasalan. Tan-tananan, no, tanananan, aking magkakasama sa magpakailanman. Ang pag-ibig na hinanap ko ng kay tagal, nahanap din kita, bigay sa'kin ng Diyos na lumikha. Thank you for the follow, cute. Sana all cute na. Thank you, guys. Di ba ilalarawan ng kahit anong salita, walang ang sino man ang papantay sa iyong ganda. Napapailing na lang, ba't mo ako nagustuhan? Jep, piniling makasama o ang swerte ko naman. Thank you, Grace. Kaya pangako ko mula sa araw na ito, sa bawat pag-ilipat, sa bawat pagising mo, ay sisikapin kong kailan ba'y di magwawakas ang ngiting ligaya ng iyong mga bukas. Saksi ngayon nating mga pamilya at kaibigan sa harap ng ating Diyos na makapangyarihan. Dahan-dahan kang naglalakad patungo sa akin, sa saliw nitong tugtugin. Admin Grace, thank you. Tan-tananan, tanananan, ikaw nga ang babaeng aking papakasalan. Tan-tananan, oh tanananan, aking magkakasama sa magpakailanman. Ang pag-ibig na hinanap ko ng kay tagal, nahanap din kita, nahanap din kita. Ikaw pala sinta, ang bigay sa'kin ng Diyos na lumikha. Ganda, no? Isa to sa mga favorite song ko na ang pangit kasi nung karaoke ko na kakantahan ko sana. Siyempre, dahil meron tayong kaibigan at napakagaling, siyempre ang ating AP Music, guys. So, huwag na kayong mahiyang mag-subscribe. Don't be shy to subscribe the YouTube channel of AP Music. At siyempre sa mga gusto mag-request, ayan, comment lang kayo sa mga YouTube channel ni Sir Pidotsky. Napakabait. Kagad-kagad, andyan na kagad. Ayun, no? Ano pa ba yung mga kanta ni Sir Pidotsky na mga favorite natin? Ayan, ito yung mga tumatak, eh, no? At saka ito din, Jealous of the Angel. Ito, tara. Natatandaan ko to nung time na namatay yung lola ko. Siyempre, ang Jealous of the Angel kasi ay pambabae. Kaya sabi ko, Sir Pidotsky, sana po magawan niyo ako ng lower key na male key para kahit papano makantahan ko po yung lola ko. Ayan. Ayan. Thank you, Sir Pidotsky. Love you so much. Ayan. Napakaganda, guys. Napaka-klaro at pulido sa pagpagagawa. Ayan, let's go. Ito ay para sa inyo lahat. Sige po. I didn't know today would be your last. Para kay Apo. Or that I had to say goodbye so fast. Ingat, Sir Pidotsky. Thank you. I'm so numb, I can't feel anymore. Afraid you just walk back through the door. Tell me that I was only dreaming. Ang bilis ng oras, oh. You're not really gone as long as I believe. Althea. There will be another angel dancing around the throne tonight. Your love live inside of me, and now we hold on tight. It's not my place to question, and only God knows why. I'm just jealous of the angel around the throne tonight. Kumain na ba kayo ni Sunny? Ayun, nawala na si Madam Che. You always made my trouble feel so small, and you were always there to catch me when night falls. In the world marks where heroes come and goes, yellow kanan, where God is still the only one I know. So I'll hold you as close as I can, longing for the day when I see your face again, John. But until then, God must lead another angel around the throne tonight. Your love live inside of me, and now it hold on tight. It's not my place to question, and only God knows why. Miss Aryan, I'm just jealous of an angel around the throne tonight, singing hallelujah. I'm just jealous of an angel around the throne tonight. Thank you so much, guys. And that was a song from Jealous of an Angel by Donna Taggart, using by AP Music. Ayan, guys, please don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel of Sir Pidotsky, ang AP Music. Ayan, thank you so much po. Ang bilis ng oras, oh. 4 minutes na lang ako, matatapos na naman tayo ngani. Patay na nga, wait lang ah. Ano ba magandang kanta? Kantayin natin ng mga AP Music. Last song tayo, Alpha Dreamer.
Sapat ba ang nutrisyon niya?
Dapat kompleto. Hair brand with Completibay.
Kung patibay ng
Kumain na
brain
ba kayo ni
natin
Sunny, Bulbulin? Si Madam Che na wala.
yun? Eh, buong katawan.
With Completibay.
Aha.
With Completibay.
Ah. Let's go! And here's something from... Tapos na po, Angie. Let's go! Kayla. I made a lot of big dreams. I made a lot of bad moves. Sidekick, I know you could walk away, but you never do. Thank you, Miss Sunny. I made a lot of cold hearts. Kay Noel. I've learned to smile and deceive. Aris Mateo. I know I'm hard to be around, but you never leave. Asure, I'm not easy to undeceive, but you hold out your head and you say you love me just as I am. You always treat me the best that you can. You always want me, need me, love me, baby, just as I am, just as I am. I made a lot of heartaches. Thank you for tapping your screen, Jason, Rella. I found a lot of closed doors. When all the others turn away, you love me more. I'm not easy to understand, but you hold out your head and you say you love me just as I am. You always treat me the best that you can. You always want me, need me, love me, baby, just as I am, just as I am. Thank you so much, guys. 1 minute left. Let's go. Here we go. I want to love forever, to keep the words together, and be the best that I can be. Baby, every time the world gazing on me. Ay, wala pa lang ang screenshot. Wait lang. You always treat me the best that you can. Thank you so much, guys, and it's time for MJ. Bye.